Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. If you are a new subscriber, welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also share with a friend. Everything that I use in this video will be listed down below, as well as all of my social medias. So let's get straight into the video. Okay, so now we're going to achieve this beautiful look on this side. We're still going to be using that same palette. This is the Revolutions Game of Thrones Forever Flawless Mother of Dragons. And the first shade I'm gonna go in with is this burgundy shade right here. But before we do that, let me put an eye shield so I can have that crispy line. Give me a second, I'll be right back. Okay, so now that we got this shield on, we're gonna dip into our first color again, which is that burgundy color. Tap off the excess, and I'm going right above my natural crease. And I'm not going all the way back, I'm stopping halfway, but I'm really building up that shade, and I don't even have to dip back into the color because that color is pretty pigmented. You can if you want to, but you don't have to dip back in. I'm just making sure that it's nice and even. I'm gonna go in with this orange shade, and then I'm gonna kind of go back and forth between the two just a little bit, but I'll let you know when I do that. But first, dipping into that light orange. And just stamping it exactly where I want it to go. So I'm stamping it right on top and above, bringing it all the way up to my brow, not in my brow, but to my brow. And now I'm going to blend both together. And you can do this with any shades that you choose to do it with. I'm just using these two colors because it's still fall. And I just feel like burgundy and orange are like some cute colors. I'm also going to go in with that other orange. Not a lot. Okay, so now I'm going to go in and cut my crease. Just to create a guide, I'm going to put it a little to my lash line, a little more. Look up, and you see it created a little line. And I'm going to follow that line all the way down. So I'm just going to stamp and go all the way down. Now if you know how to do a cut crease without doing a guide, you don't have to do a guide. I just like doing it because I find that it's easier, especially if you're a beginner. It's a lot easier to do. Even if you're not a beginner, it's easier. And I'm just stamping everything into place. And then I'm going to blend that all the way down the lid. You can add more if you feel like you need more. And this is the second look of the day. I just did a look before this one using, like I said, similar to the same colors. They did change just a little bit. And if you're wondering why I'm not putting any concealer all the way, you know, back here, is because I already have concealer from earlier that's back there. You don't have to fill that in because the powder did not, the eyeshadow, excuse me, did not go all the way back. Unless it did, then you can, you know, fix that, but I don't necessarily have to. And I'm just drying down that concealer with this brush, as well as blending out the edges of the concealer. And now I'm just going to take a little bit of translucent powder, and this just so that I don't receive any creasing. And I know I said a little bit, that's a lot, but that's okay. Dust away that remaining powder. And then in the inner corner, I'm just pressing it in. So then you should be somewhere in this area. Now I'm gonna go back in with that burgundy shade that we did the first time. And I'm going to, basically with using this color, you're going to create as if you're doing eyeliner. So, and you can make it as bold as you want it, as thin as you want it. It's totally up to you. But I'm gonna build that shade up a little bit. And the closer it get to the inner portion of my eye, I'm making the line thinner, the same exact way that you would do an eyeliner, right? And I'm using the mirror, well, the video as my mirror, so I can see what I'm doing without having to pull out my mirror. Just like that. If you're satisfied with it, move on to the next color, which I'm satisfied, so I'm going in with that lighter orange shade. Always tap off the excess, and I'm stamping right on top as well as a little above that shade. And I'm gonna need my mirror on this one so I can really see what I'm doing. You want to make sure that you're really building those colors up. I went in a little bit with that rusted orange color, just a little bit. I'm gonna go back in with that burgundy so that that does not disappear on me. Then I'm gonna go in with a different brush, and I'm gonna blend all of those together. I'm gonna go back in with the orange without adding nothing else onto the brush. I'm gonna dip back in now because I really want that to show through. Again, it shows through yellow, but it's really like an orange. Go back in with that other brush and blend everything. And with this, I'm just going to continue to blend until I'm satisfied with how everything looks. Just like that. Now in the center, I'm gonna go in with this shade, not too much though, but but just enough so that it really showed through and it helped bring out those other colors. Other brush, just dust away the excess. Now I'm just applying the glue again. I'm using the not the glue, the glitter. I'm using the shade Bronze. I love the NYX glitter pigments. Okay, just like that. You can add more if you feel like you need more. And now that we have the finished look, hope y'all enjoyed this video as much as I did making it. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, also share with a friend. And everything that I used in this video will be listed down below, so feel free to check that out, as well as all of my social medias. Have a great day.